Welcome to my channel. Hope you all are keeping safe. I'm making a charcoal effect tandoori chicken but without oven. I'm sure you will like this simple recipe and it will taste delicious. For the tandoori chicken, 2 marination process is there. Let's start the first marination. You need 1 kg chicken and 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder and 1 tablespoon of normal chili powder. And you need the 1 whole lemon juice. Add salt to taste. Mix well and keep the marination for 15 minutes. And for the second stage marination, take a small bowl, add 4 tablespoons of oil, and 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, and 4 tablespoons of hung curd. Mix well. Add this to the already marinated chicken. Since we added a Kashmiri chili powder in the marination, it will give you that red tandoori chicken color without adding a food color. Keep this marination for 30 minutes or overnight. Take heavy bottom non-stick pan and add 2 teaspoons of oil and add the marinated chicken. Flame should be in medium-high and give the chicken a grill effect, that means a burnt tandoor look on both the sides, then reduce the flame. And cook well in low flame. Use the same procedure as I explained in my video on Malai chicken tikka. Remove all the burnt remain and oil with the tissue and repeat the same process. Switch off the flame. Now here I am giving a charcoal effect to this chicken. Please heat the charcoal over a high flame to 10 to 15 minutes until the charcoal turns grey. If you have small bowl, you can use it. Otherwise, like me, you can turn this aluminium foil into a bowl. Place the heated charcoal in the center of a pan with the cooked chicken around it. Now add 1 teaspoon of ghee over the hot charcoal and place a lid. Let all the chicken get flavor of smoke. After 2 minutes, open the lid and tandoori chicken is ready. If you like my video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.